little, but we can keep up with the big guns. You know, that's our point.
So what's your secret?
The pumpkins.
Hey! Break it up and stop!
We're out here on a recruiting mission, trying to get information out to people about the benefits of the National Guard.
I do not like to be an army because they're bad guys because they have guns.
I have twin stepsons that they're both in the Navy. When the war and everything broke out, all the troops were overseas. This is just our little umph behind them, you know, our support.
Look at it, look.
He's in Afghanistan.
They were right there by the phone.
We're going to have a moment of silence for our departed members and our brave troops overseas making this all possible.